Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your data from your Android to your iPhone. So very quickly right here, as you can see, please install this device. Please focus on my Android devices first, okay? It's going to be called Move to iOS, so just go to any Play Store. Let me just open my Play Store right there. And then simply type in transfer to iOS or iOS transfer app. This is the one you should be looking for. As you can see, it's already installed. Click on open it. Now, please stay right there first. I want to explain something on the iOS device now. So for example, let's say you have a new iOS because currently I cannot really do it right now. For example, this is already set up. If I want to do it from the start, I'm going to delete all data. Anyway, with that being said, this is the thing you should be looking for. Move from Android from the startup option. If you restart your iPhone, you should get here. And then if you click on continue, you'll have this. Let me see right there, enter one-time code, which you will enter on this Android device. So automatically send, click on automatically send right there, click on continue. And as you can see, only this time right here, find your code, click on continue, enter the one-time code. This is where you enter it, the one you got from my iOS device. And then after here, you're just gonna choose which data you're gonna transfer, and after that one, you're good to go. Just wait for the fracture to finish, and it's done. So that's how you transfer your data from your Android device to your iOS phone. So thank you so much for watching, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.